Okay, good morning students. All are okay? Before class, we have discussed about the some special type functions, integration of the some special type functions. You know, I think, yeah, some special type functions integrations. What is that one? Integral of 1 by x square minus dx is equal to 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a plus c. 1 by a square minus x square formula. 1 by a square minus x square, integral of 1 by a square plus x square, integral of 1 by root over a square plus x square, integral root over 1 by x square minus a square, integral root over a square minus x square dx formula. I hope that all are read those formulas. I hope that. Now, today we are going to, based on these problems, some special type integrations. How to calculate the integral of the type. Actually, how many types are there in this one? Total integration 7 types. I explained that one by one. Okay. First type is, what is the type 1? The integral of the type. Okay. Whenever the integral of the type, how to do the integration of the given functions. First type, today I will complete the type 1 and type 2. Okay, my dear students. Tomorrow we will discuss about the type 3. Okay. Now, how to do the type 1? Type 1. How to do the integral of the type 1? The integral of the form, the function or the integral of the form, the type of integral is of the form one by ax square plus bx plus c dx 1 by root over ax square plus bx plus c. Here observe that each and every one 1 by 1 by 1 by 1 by 1. These two types. In this one also another one is there. I will explain later that one. Okay. 1 by ax square plus bx plus c dx, 1 by ax square plus bx plus c dx. How to do these problems? The type of the integral is of the form. Whenever the suppose in the examination point of view, find integral of 1 by x square minus 2x plus 5 dx. Find the integral. Means here this one ax square plus bx plus c must and should, it is a quadratic expression. That is the one type of parabola. Y is equal to x square plus bx plus c is a one type of parabola. How to do? How to do means nothing but here ax square plus bx plus c is there. That can be written as the sum or difference of the perfect squares of the two numbers. The sum or difference of the perfect squares of the two numbers. You remember that one. How to write? In this type questions, whenever asking in this type questions, always 100% x square. The coefficient of x square is positive and equal to 1. Making the coefficient of x square must be equal to 1. First step. Here, for suppose how to convert this one, ax square plus bx plus c. Now, ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. Here, the coefficient of x square must and should positive. How to do the problems means this one must be converted as sum or difference of the perfect squares of the two numbers. That's why I am telling you. Now, ax square plus bx plus c. In this one, first step, what the first step is going on? The coefficient of x square always positive and equal to 1. Now, taking the common a. X square coefficient a is positive, negative you don't know. A either positive or negative. Okay. But a not equal to 0. Okay, my dear student. Now, that's why we will take the common a. What happened? That is x square plus b by a x plus c by a. How to do the perfect square of the two terms? Sum or difference, in between sum or difference. Here observe that, for suppose x value is a square plus, what is the formula? A plus b whole square formula, you know that very well. A plus b whole square formula is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here a square is there. 2ab, here this is a, for suppose this is b, 2 missing, yeah. Now that's why what I am write as x square plus 2 into b by 2a into x. I am writing in this way. First step. Multiplying, dividing with 2. Now a square plus 2ab. This is the b value. What is the missing? B square is missing. Adding b square and subtract the b square. Plus b square minus b square must be cancelled. Okay, my dear students. Now a into x square plus 2 into b by 2a into x plus b by 2a whole square minus b by 2a whole square plus c by a. Okay. Now first three terms a square plus 2ab plus b square. What about first three terms? A plus b whole square formula. A into a plus b x plus b by 2a whole square minus what about this b square by 4a square plus c by a. Okay, my dear students, that is equal to a into x plus b by 2a whole square plus, we will take in common plus for suppose plus right, first write down c by a. 4a square is the LCM. A 4a square means 4ac minus here b square only. Here this is 100% perfect square. Either is plus this 4ac minus b square by 4a square, either plus or minus, we don't know. This 4ac, for suppose this value is equal for suppose 13. 4ac minus b square by 4a square is 13. You will write 13 whole square. Now a constant, this is for suppose here x means x square plus a square. 1 by x square plus a square. 1 by x square plus a square means this is the formula. How to do means in this way we will do the perfect square of the two numbers. Okay, my dear student, this is a into x plus b by 2a whole square plus 4ac minus b square by 4a square. We remember this formula easily we will do. We don't go through this total means process, otherwise we will remember this formula. What is this? What is this means ax square plus bx plus c. Ax square plus bx plus c, how to write means this way. Our general formula in this way we will remember this one. This type or this type, whenever in the examination point of view this type of questions asking, first ax square plus bx plus b will be converted into the sum or difference of the perfect squares of the two numbers. After that compulsory out of these formulas anyone will get the answer. Exists 100% any one of out of 6 formulas, use any one of the formulas by this one. For suppose this type is given, first 3 formulas, any one formula. For suppose this time is given, any one remaining formulas. Okay, my dear students. This type is given, you will use any one of these formulas. This type is given, use any one of these formulas. How to do? How to convert this one ax square plus bx plus, this is the process. Otherwise you remember this formula. What is the formula of this one? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to a into, first we write the a value, b value, c value, directly we substitute. You cannot go to this one. Yes or no? Yes. 4ac minus b square. Just remember ax square plus bx plus c is equal to a into x plus b by 2a whole square plus 4ac minus b square by 4a square. Okay, my dear students. For suppose here compulsory this one is, for suppose negative is there, multiplied with negative after that calculation part. Okay, my dear students. We are going to the one problem, one more problem. One problem or not? Yes. Remember this formula. What is the formula of this one? Type. By using the formula or by using the method? Whatever maybe we will do. Better is the formula or method. We will do anyway. A into x plus b by 2a whole square plus 4ac minus b square by 4a square, my dear students. Now integral of, find the following the integrals. 1 by x square minus 6x plus 13 dx. X square minus 6x plus 13 dx. Here the quadratic expression is this one. X square minus 6x plus 13. Yeah. What is the actually formula? You know the formula of ax square plus bx. Okay, what I am telling you, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to a into x plus b by 2a whole square plus 4ac minus b square by 4a square. Okay, my dear students. Actually the formula is that one. With formula, without formula, both I am explaining how to do. Okay. First by using the formula here, a value is 1, B value is minus 6, C value is 13. Okay, my dear students. Now what happened? A means here 1 is there. No need of writing. X plus B by 2A. B by 2A minus 6 by 26 whole square plus B by 2A minus 2 by 2 into 2A, sorry, my dear students. 2A, A value is 1, means 2A plus 4AC, 4 into A value 1, C value 30 minus B square is minus 6 whole square by 4A square, 4 into 1 square. Calculation part is important. This is x minus 6 by 2 means x minus 3 whole square plus 4 13s are 13 4s are 52 minus 36 by 4. 4 into 1 square means 4. This is equal x minus 3 whole square plus 52 minus 36 means 16. 16 by 4. 52 minus 36. 16 by 4 means 4. That equal x minus 3 whole square plus 4 written as 2 square. Now what happened? Now substitute here. That is equal to I is equal to integral of 1 by x square minus 6x plus 13 means x minus 3 whole square plus 2 square. What the formula is going on? 1 by, this is x, this is a, 1 by x square plus a square. 1 by x square plus a square formula, 1 by x square plus a square. 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. 1 by a. 1 by a value is 2, 1 by a tan inverse of x means x minus 3 by a, by means 2 plus. In this way, by using the formula, what is the formula means ax square plus bx plus c is equal a into x plus b by 2 whole square 4ac minus b square by 4a square. Okay, we will complete that one. But suppose without formula, how to do the process? Okay, understood? Now suppose you forget the formula. Okay, you forget the formula. Formula is not good. What I am telling you, formula is not good. Working method is good. Okay, don't memorize the formulas. How many formulas you memorize? Okay, that's the working rule. X square minus 6x plus 13 is given. Our goal is we will write it as the sum or difference of the perfect square of the two numbers. Sum or difference of the perfect square of the two numbers. Our goal is that one. First, what is the step is going on? What I am telling? The coefficient of x square always positive and 1. Here compulsory. Yeah. This is x square. After that minus 6x. You write the x. After that you observe that x square minus 6x. Don't write the constant. Yes. After that next step, the making of the x square coefficient is 1 is over. After that you observe that the coefficient of x. What the coefficient of x is there? Minus 6 is there. Here minus 6 is there or plus 6 is there? Not. X coefficient is 6. In that one, for example, x coefficient is 6. You will take the half of the x coefficient. Why? Because 2ab is there. Yeah. X coefficient half. 6 is there. 6 by 2. That is 3. For suppose x coefficient 1 is there. Half 1 by 2. For suppose x coefficient 3 is there. 3 by 2. X coefficient 7 is there. 7 by 2. Here x coefficient 6 is there. We will take the half of the x coefficient. Half. HALF. Half of the means by 2. X coefficient is 6. Don't thinking about the symbol plus or minus, no need. X coefficient is 6. 6 by 2 means how much? 3. That 3 squaring means 3 square. Adding and subtracting. Okay. Plus 3 square minus 3 square plus last constant is 13. I hope understood. Plus 3 square minus 3 square adding and subtracting means again, for suppose plus 3 square minus 3 square cancel, again we will get this one. Okay, my dear students, how to do that one? Okay, now first 3 times 100%, first 3 times 100%, a square minus 2ab plus b square formula. This is a value, this is b value, in between minus is there, that is the a minus b whole square, that is x minus 3 whole square. This is minus 9 plus 13, that equal x minus 3 whole square, minus 9 13 means plus 4, x minus 3 whole square plus 4 means 2 square. Now apply this in this place. We will write this one same, x minus 3 whole square plus 2 square, 1 by 2 tan inverse of x minus 3 by 2 plus. Okay, my dear students, in this way we will complete the problems. Okay, Next, we are going to the next problem. Integral of dx by root over 5x square minus 2x. Here in this way given. Here what is the quadratic expression? Ax square plus bx. We will take side. Okay. This is 5x square minus 2x. In this one constant missing. No problem at all. 5x square minus 2x. What is the process? First x square coefficient is? What is the coefficient of x square? 1. Here 5 is there. Taken common 5. Means x square minus 2 by 5x. Coefficient of 1. After what is the step? We will take the half of the x coefficient. What is the x coefficient? 2 by 5. 2 by 5 of 1 by 5. 2 by 5 by 2 means 1 by 5. Next step 5 into x square minus 2 by 5x plus what is the x coefficient? 2 by 5. Half of the x coefficient is 1 by 5. Squaring, adding and subtracting. 1 by 5 whole square minus 1 by 5 whole square. In this one no constant. Otherwise we will apply the formula. Okay. Now 5 into what is this? This is a square, this is b square. In between minus means a minus b whole square formula. A value x, b value 1 by 5. X minus 1 by 5 whole square minus already only one is there, 1 by 5 whole square. Perfect square is there. Don't write one. Substitute. Here I is equal to integral of dx by what is that one? 5 into this value x minus 1 by 5 whole square, 5 into what totally minus 1 by 5 whole square dx. Now here root 5 is the constant, 1 by root 5. Here totally root a into root b, root a into root b. Here 5 into root a into root b means root a into root b. 1 by root 5 constant. Write down integral of 1 by, okay, don't write the 2 times, 1 by root over x minus 1 by 5 whole square minus 1 by 5 whole square. What the formula is going on? Observe that. This is x, this is a. 1 by x square minus a square. 1 by x square minus a square. 1 by x square minus a square. 1 by root over x square minus a square. What is the formula? Log that is equal to 1 by root 5 into log mod x. X means this one, x minus 1 by 5 plus root over x minus 1 by 5 whole square minus, sorry, x square minus a square, a square means 1 by 5 whole square. Okay, my dear students, what happened this one? Plus c. Okay, what about this? Observe that x minus 1 by 5 whole square minus 1 by 5 whole square. What happened this one? From this one, don't calculate this one. For suppose this is 5 this side, 5x square minus 2x by 5. Here we will take the root, we will take the root. What about this value? 5x square minus 2x by 5 from this one. Okay, that is equal to 1 by root 5 log mod, what is the 5x minus 1 by 5 plus what about this? Root over total this value 5x square minus 2x by what happened that one? Here 5 square is there. Okay. For suppose we calculate this one, what happened this one? Here x square. This value for suppose x minus 1 by 5 whole square minus 1 by 5 whole square. This one. This side is 5. We will take the root here. Compulsory root plus c. Okay, otherwise, okay, next step we are going to the next step. What is the next step is going on? For suppose we will do the calculation part. What is the calculation part is going? 1 by root 5 is there. For suppose you confuse something, I think 1 by root 5 log of 5x minus 1 by 5 plus now root over expand what happened? X square minus 2 by 5x plus 1 by 25 minus 1 by 25. Okay, plus c plus 1 by 25 minus 1 by 25 cancel. What I am telling? That equal to 1 by root 5 log mod 5x minus 1 by 5 plus this is 5x square minus 2x by 5. Root I have 100%. plus c. Yeah, that's why I am telling you this one also. Root. Here from this one by. Okay, my dear students. In this way, we will complete the problems. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the next method. Type of the evolution of type of the integral. Before I already explained 1 by ax square plus bx plus c, integral of 1 by root over ax square plus bx plus c. Now we are going to the next method. This is very important one. Okay, the type of the integral. What is the type of the integral? This is type 2. Type 1 is over, this is type 2. The integral is of the form integral px plus q, means that is the linear factor, px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c. Observe that, linear by quadratic. Okay, that is one type, or this is first one, or this is second one. Px plus q by root over ax square plus bx plus c dx. First, you identify the problem. This is in the form of which type is given, which formula we are applying, the which formula. Just first we read the question and identify the which method. We are going to which method, we will do which method. Okay, my dear students, that's why I am telling you. Here in this type, px plus, before what is there? 1 by is there, but here linear, px plus q by root ax, linear by quadratic, here no root, here root is there. How to do these problems? 100%, what is the working rule is going on? First, we will change the 100%. What is that one? Numerator. Numerator must be changes, okay, in terms of the denominator. Now, here the numerator is equal to px, once formula is there, working rule, px plus q is equal to something a into d by dx of the quadratic expression, not root, whatever may be. Here quadratic expression, here quadratic expression. We cannot take the roots are, okay. What is the quadratic expression? Ax square plus bx plus c plus another constant b. After differentiation, we compare the coefficient of x and constant. We can find the values of a and b. Okay, my dear, this is the process. Whenever this type is given, how to do this one? Px plus q is equal to, write the formula, numerator is equal to a into derivative of ax square plus bx plus c plus. How to do this one? For suppose px plus q is equal, for suppose what happened? A into derivative of ax square means 2ax plus derivative of bx means b plus derivative of c is 0, don't write, plus b. Now after that, comparing the terms. This is equation number 1. Comparing the x coefficients. What is the x coefficient here? P is equal to, here x coefficient 2a, x coefficient 2a capital A. From this one, we want the capital A value. Capital A is equal to P by 2a. Now constants. What are the constants? Here q is equal to, here constant a into b plus capital B. Now q is equal to, a value already find out, P by 2a by b means Pb by 2a plus b. From this one, b is equal to what happened? That equal to q minus Pb by 2a. Now these values substitute here. After that, this place you have to substitute, in this one separate. We will get the answer very easily. Okay, my dear students. That process, we will how to find the values of, what the formula is going on? The linear function is equal to a into derivative of the denominator plus b. A into derivative of the quadratic expression plus b. After that, we can find our goal is a and b. After we find the a and b, this linear value substitute in this one. After that, before we learn the methods, those methods we apply here. Okay, my dear students. Now, how to do the problems? We are going to one problem. X plus 2 by, okay. Now I am explaining one more problem. Integral of I is equal to integral of x plus 2 by 2x square plus 6x plus 5. 2x square plus 6x plus 5 dx. Okay, my dear students. Now observe that this one same or not? What is the numerator? X plus 2, linear by quadratic. Now numerator is x plus 2 is equal to, numerator is equal to a into d by dx of 2x square plus 6x plus 5 plus b. Now x plus 2 is equal to a into derivative of 2x square means 4x plus derivative of 6x is 6 plus b. This is equation number 1. 2x square derivative 4x, 6x derivative 6 plus 5 derivative no need, right? Okay. Now both side comparing the x coefficients. Both side comparing the x coefficients. X coefficient is 1. Here x coefficient is 4a. From this one a is equal to 1 by 4, my dear students. I hope that I understood or not? Yes. Next constants, 2 is equal to, here constant 2. Here a into 6, 6a plus here constant is b. Now 2 is equal to 6 into a value 1 by 4 plus b. Now b is equal to 2 minus 6 by 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 means 2 by 4. 2 by 4 means how much? 1 by 2. Those values you have to substitute in this one. Therefore, what happened? X plus 2. Therefore x plus 2 is equal to, x plus 2 is equal to a into a value is 1 by 4 into 4x plus 6 plus b. B value 100% how much? 1 by 2. Again you cannot calculate this one. Again you calculate, you get this one only. Okay, x plus 2 compulsory we will split in this way. We will do the complete the problem. Okay. Now we will substitute here. I is equal to integral of, here x plus 2 is there. Instead of x plus 2 what you write? 1 by 4 4x plus 6 plus 1 by 2 by, what is this? 2x square plus 6x plus 5 dx. Okay, my dear students. Here instead of the numerator you will write this one. Okay, that's why I am telling this formula. Numerator is equal to a into denominator of the quadratic expression plus b. By using that one you will find the values of a and b, substitute and write. Now in between plus is there here. This is one term, this is one term, plus is there, separation. Here 1 by 4, 4x plus 6 by this one means here 1 by 4 constant. Here 1 by 2 by this one means 1 by 2 by this one constant. Okay, how to write? 1 by 4 is the first term, this one by this one. 4x plus 6 by 2x square plus 6x plus 5. Separation means dx plus this one by this one is plus 1 by 2 by this one means 1 by 2 is the constant, 1 by 2x square plus 6x plus 5 dx. Understood or not? Separation. This one by this one plus this one by this one. Observe that before I explained already formulas. How to integral this one? Any formula, denominator function derivative, numerator 100% occurs already our derivative here. The derivative of the denominator. Here you will write in the numerator means this derivative here, this one. 2x square derivative 4x, 6x derivative 6. F dash of x by f of x. F dash of x by f of x formula log mod f of x. This is 1 by 4. Log mod f of x means 2x square plus 6x plus 5. Okay, this is plus. Already before I explained type 1 in the form of 1 by ax square plus bx plus c means it can be written as the sum or difference of the perfect squares of the two numbers. Perfect squares of the two numbers, you know. Okay. Now how to do this one? Now separately we will do. Side 2x square plus 6x plus 5 we will take and separately we will do. What happened that one? After that continuation, no problem at all, plus 1 by, okay, you will take this one 1 by 2 into 1 by 2x square plus 6x plus 5. This is equation number considered as 2, already before 1 considered. Now you write the perfect square. What is the what is that one? 2x square plus 6x plus 5. 2 taken common. Always the coefficient of x square is 1. X square plus 2 to common means 3x plus 5 by 2. 6 is there. Okay, my dear students. Now taken common to x square plus 3x, x coefficient 3 of 3 by 2 squaring adding and subtracting. 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square. Now 2 into, what about this? A square b square, in between plus is there, a plus b whole square, x plus 3 by 2 whole square. Okay, my dear students, first 3 times, minus this is 9 by 4 plus 5 by 2. What happened this one? 2 into x plus 3 by 2 whole square. What about this? LCM is plus, suppose 4, plus we will take 4. Here minus 9, okay, plus 10. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Minus 9 plus 10 means 1. 2 into x plus 3 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means 1 by 2 whole square. This is the process. Now continuation. Continuation of that one, 2. Okay. Now we will take that one plus continuation of that one. Now we will take this one, no change. Now continuation of this one no change, plus 1 by 2 into integral of, what is that one? 1 by 2 x square plus 6, 2x square plus 6x plus 5 is equal to 2 into, okay, already 2 is there, means 4 into 2 4, 1 by, what is this? X plus 3 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 2 whole square. Okay, my dear students. Now we are going to the formula. This is 1 by x square plus a square. 1 by x square plus a square formula, 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. Already this is common. What is this is common means? Here, I think I understood. Okay. This is common. First one is common. That is 1 by 4 log mod 2x square plus 6x plus 5 is common. Plus 1 by 4 into, here 1 by x square plus a square. 1 by x square plus a square formula 1 by a. Already formula is there. Here a value is 1 by 2. This is x value. Okay. 1 by a. 1 by a means 1 by 2. Tan inverse of x by a. X by a. What is x? X plus 3 by 2 by 1 by 2 plus c. What happened this one? That equal 1 by 4 log mod 2x square plus 6x plus 5 plus, here 2 1s are 2 2s are cancelled, 1 by 2 tan inverse of, here LCM is 2, denominator 2 2 cancel, that is 2x plus 3 plus c. Okay, my dear students, in this way we will complete the problems. Okay, we are going to next problem. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the next problem. Observe that. Integral of x plus 3 by root over 5 minus 4x minus x square. This is type 2, second method. Root is there, no problem at all. Linear by quadratic. How to do? Now linear is equal to, you know that one, linear is equal means x plus 3 is equal to a into d by dx of, quadratic means 5 minus 4x minus x square plus b. Don't take the root, okay. X plus 3 is equal to a into d by dx of 5 derivative 0 minus 4 minus 2x plus b. Now we will take comparison. X coefficient here 1 is equal to, here x coefficient is minus 2a. That's why a value is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now constants, 3 is equal to here minus 4a plus b. Now 3 is equal to minus 4 into a value minus 1 by 2 plus b. Okay, my dear students, 3 is equal to 2 plus b. Minus into minus plus 4 by 2. B is equal to 1. Now substitute what happened this one. Therefore, x plus 3 is equal to a. A means minus 1 by 2 into minus 4 minus 2x plus b. B value is 1. Now here substitute. Okay, this is this one. Now write I is equal to integral of x plus 3. What is the x plus 3? This is minus 1 by 2 into 4 minus 2x plus 1 by root over 5 minus 4x minus x square dx. Now what is the next step? Separation. Okay. This one by this one plus this one by this one. What happened? Minus 1 by 2 right in front. Integral of 4 minus 2x by root over 5 minus 4x minus x square dx plus integral of 1 by root over 5 minus 4x minus x square dx. Okay, my dear students. 100% this is f dash of x by root f of x. Here phi derivative is 0, minus 4x derivative is here minus, sorry, here minus 4 is there. Here minus 4 clearly is there, okay. Okay, phi derivative is 0, minus 4x derivative is minus 4, minus x square derivative is minus 2. F dash of x by root f of x. F dash of x by root f of x. What is the formula? 2 root f of x. Minus 1 by 2 into 2 root f of x. F of x means 5 minus 4x minus x square. Plus integral of 1 by now these two cancel. Okay, again this will take 1 by type is there. First type 100% it is can be converted into sum or difference of the perfect square of the two numbers. How? We will take this one. Now 5 minus 4x minus x square. Now 100% what I am telling you, x square coefficient is 100% positive. Here minus 1 is there, minus 1 taken common. X square plus 4x minus 5. Okay, my dear students, minus of x square plus 4x. X coefficient is 4. 4 half of the 4 means 2. 2 square plus 2 square minus 2 square minus 5. Now how to write the first terms? Minus of a plus b whole square formula. X plus 2 whole square minus 2 square means 4, minus 4 minus 5, minus 9. Minus 9 means 3 square. Now independent of minus is there, means reverse. 3 square minus x plus 2 whole square. Now substitute. What happened? This is equal to continuation of this one, I think. Okay, my dear students, this is equal to answer continuation minus of root over 5 minus 4x minus x square plus integral 1 by root over 5 minus 4x minus x square. This is 3 square minus x plus 2 whole square dx. What is the formula? 1 by a square minus x square. 1 by a square minus x square formula, sin inverse of x by a. This is equal to minus root over 5 minus 4x minus x square plus, what is the formula of this one? Sin inverse of x by a. X value x plus 2 by a value is 3 plus c. Okay, my dear students. In this way, we will complete the next problems. Tomorrow class, we have discussed about the integration by using the partial fractions. First, I explain the partial fractions, how to do the problems. Okay, my dear students. Take care. Thank you one and all.